Hi, this is Ian Khan. In this video, we're talking about cloud computing. Cloud computing is not a new concept. About 2 decades ago, cloud computing came into being when someone suggested that we do not have to use infrastructure on premises. You don't have to use this computer right here for me to be able to work. I don't need to have everything installed on this computer, such as my office productivity tools, my other softwares that I need, but I could really connect to a provider that provides me all of these things with a very simple access device, such as a computer, but not necessarily installed with all of the hardware, the bulky hardware that I need. Now let's expand this idea a little bit more. In some organizations, you need more infrastructure. You need servers, you need storage servers, you need infrastructure servers, you need different types of hardware components to make things happen. And with cloud computing, you could now eliminate all of that, connect with a provider that would provide you with all these services remotely. And that is cloud computing. Cloud computing is very common now, and if you look at some of the things and softwares and technologies that you use on an everyday basis, they probably are based on cloud. Here are some examples. Office 365, Google Drive, Box.net, Dropbox, Amazon, eBay, all of these are based on the cloud. Now, cloud is typically used to denote something within an enterprise architecture or enterprise business, which means at a business level. And there's a difference between accessing a website to buy something online and to use technology provided by an organization or a company to store your documents, to do other things that you need to do to make your organization work efficiently. Cloud computing is efficient, it creates scale, you're able to expand your capabilities really rapidly with a very low investment. I highly recommend you to look at cloud computing if you're an organization, if you're an entrepreneur, and to save costs. Cloud computing is here to stay. Thanks for watching.